Hey guys, within this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Super Mario Run app on your mobile device. In this case I'm using iPhone, but if you're using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store and download the app from there. But as I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to go over to the App Store, this blue button in the center of my screen, and then on the bottom right go over to the search page, and at the top start typing in Super Mario Run. And in the bottom right, there's the search button. Press search and it's going to give us a bunch of different listings. Scroll past the first advertisement and go over to Super Mario Run right there. And basically on the right hand side of the app, there's a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. This basically means that we've downloaded this app on our App Store account in the past, not necessarily this device. But if you've never downloaded Super Mario Run app before, it will show you a Get button, the GET button. Either way, press Get or press the cloud icon, and it's going to start downloading the app on the device that you're using. And you can actually see the progress of the download by the blue ring going around the circle right there. I'm going to come back once this has fully downloaded, and as we can see, it was quite fast. Basically, App Store gives us the option to open the app from within the App Store. You can press the open button. That is going to launch the app, and from there we're basically going to follow all the steps and start playing Super Mario Run on this device. Essentially, if this video has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you.